Hello choir. So this is your Ascension Day extra. We've just got one hymn that we're going to add in for Ascension Day because we've got an archive recording of God Has Gone Up that some of us sang when we were in Ghent a couple of summers ago. So we're going to use that as part of our service, but we'd like to use also the hymn Hail the Day That Sees Him Rise. So here's the music. Words will appear here as normal, and here we go. First and last verse are both going to be in unison, and the very last Alleluia of each verse is also in unison. Okay, 4 verses. Here we go. Here's the play over. Unison. Okay, brilliant. All you need to do then is to get me that recording, please, by Tuesday evening this week. This is for Thursday's service, remember? So if you could get the recording to me by Tuesday evening in the normal way, then I can piece them all together and we'll be ready for our Eucharist on Thursday. There'll be more for next Sunday though, so I'll see you very soon. Bye.